name is Art Tolentino. I'm the owner of ART Printing Service, in case you didn't know that. Today, I want to do a tutorial. I've been getting phone calls and comments from and emails from some of my customers telling me that they go to the website and they kind of have a hard time trying to figure out how to do it. So I wanted to go through a couple of items and show you how to shop on our website. Are you ready? Let's go. I'm going to open up my thing here, and we're going to go right to the website. We're going to go share, and I'm going to go to Safari, and there's Safari. Let's make Safari to cover the whole screen so that you don't see all my other goodies that I have here. And let's see here. Let's go to the browser up here, and we're going to type in ART, and it'll go right automatically. And there it is. That's our website. ART Printing Services. And we have a couple of things here. First of all, we describe what our service is. It's your online printing service store. Please browse our products and easily make purchases. Well, some people are saying it's not so easy. So let's go over this. Let me show you how. It shouldn't be too hard, okay? Let's look at the first item here. We have custom printed coffee mugs. Now, we have a lot of different items here, but they're not all here. You can always start up here, categories, and you can select copying services, business cards, signs, apparel imprinting, labels, stationery, promotional products, reopening signage, and CD duplication. We do CD and DVD duplication also. So let's say you pick business cards. Let's say you want some business cards. We talked about that the other day. I even did a tutorial on that. And these are cards where you want thousands. We did a thing on color copies showing you how to order very small quantities that you need in a hurry. But these are the least expensive, and we also have the painted edge business cards. But you simply click on to that if you want some business cards, and voila, there it is. Always read the description, because the description is going to tell you something like packed in 250s or 125s or whatever. And when you order, let's say you need 250 cards, don't put 250 in the order quantity, because if you do that, you'll get 250 times the number in a package, and that'll be too many. And so let's read the business card description. This says reach new markets, maintain contacts, and more with ART Printing Services premium quality business cards, one product that no business can survive without. And with ART Printing Services, high standards and quality, service, and turnaround, customers are guaranteed to make an impact with some of the finest looking cards in the industry, as for at all for a price that can't be beat. And that's true. And if you can beat it, you let me know and we'll talk about that. Business cards come boxed in units of 125 cards each. If you need to order 1,000 business cards, you'll need to select the quantity as 8, because 8 times 125 equals 1,000. This will give you 8 units of 125 each. We will conveniently box your business cards in large boxes to fit your total quantity. And then click here to upload your print ready artwork. And I'll show you that in a minute. I just want to go back up here. So we have some choices here, okay? Coating. What kind of coating do you want? You can select that, and we have high gloss UV front only. We have high gloss UV front and back. We have matte dough finish, which is kind of, sometimes people can't write on the glossy. Sometimes you want to write a little note on a card, and you can't write on the high gloss, so a matte finish is more appropriate for that. That way you can write things on it, and people will get your little note. So you have matte dough finish on the front only, and we have matte dough finish on the front and back. And then we have something called soft touch, which is really cool. It's kind of like it feels like skin. It really feels awesome. We have that offer too. So let's go ahead and let's figure out price on high gloss UV front and back, okay? And then the type of paper. We have a 14-point gloss cover or a 16-point gloss cover. 16 is a little thicker, 14 is not as thick, but it's still pretty thick. So let's go with the 16-point. And then color and size. Are you going to print on one side in 4-color process, or are you going to print 4-color process on one side and black ink on the other side, or you're going to go 4x4, 4-color process on both sides. Now, when we say 4x0, 4x1, and 4x4, what we're saying, we're putting 4 colors, and the slash represents a sheet of paper. So 4 colors on one side and 0 colors on the back. 4/1 is 4 colors on one side and 1 color on the back. And 4/4 is 4 colors on one side and 4 colors on the back side. So we'll go 4/4. So we want 1,000 business cards. So we're going to select 8. Okay. Right there, 8, and add to cart. And let's check it out. Hit continue. We're just showing you what you just bought, okay? $48 for 1,000 cards. That's a good price, okay? It's a really good price. And it's printed both sides, and it's UV coated with a gloss coating, which is really awesome. A really top quality card for only $48. Then when you check out, you hit checkout. And you can put your email address in there. You can check out as a guest, or you can log into your account if you have an account with us, or you can create an account. And I would prefer that you create an account. That way, next time you come, it'll be real simple for you, okay? My account will log in here to my account, and my email address is art. Does it come? Yeah, it comes up automatically. And then my password, see, all there. I don't have to enter it in front of you and have you go, oh, I know his password. And there's my shipping address. So I'm going to select that. That's where I want to ship. Click, 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 click. Let's see how much the shipping is. Okay, so you can will call this thing, so you don't have to pay anything for shipping. And you can pick it up here at the shop on Prairie Avenue in Hawthorne, California. Or if you're farther away and you want to go UPS ground, it's going to cost you $12.30 to ship it. Or if you need it in a hurry, in 3 days, $25. If you need second day, so forth and so on. And the highest price is $85, meaning you need it next day, early AM. Okay? If you need that, call us because we might be able to work something else out. We may print it faster. Maybe we can do it second day. All right? So call us. Always call us if you need something like that. Okay? And then, so we got that. So we're going to select will call because we're going to pick it up here at the shop. And you hit continue to payment, and there you can pick a credit card, put in your credit card number and everything else. I'm going to bypass that and say print using a credit account. Now, if you have a credit account with us, if you filled out a credit application with us and we checked your credit and we approved it, you can select this pay using credit account and pay us within 30 days or whatever the terms that we set up for you. So let's complete the order. You must accept the terms. Oh, don't forget to do that. Where is that at? There's a check mark here somewhere. I bet you see it and I don't. Maybe it's up here more. Please select. Where'd you hear us from? Da da da. There it is. Is that it? No, that's not it. Pay. I don't see it anywhere. It wants me to. Interesting. There we go. There we go. Got it. I guess I had to check that little white box. Anyways, so thank you. Your order has been processed, blah, 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 blah. And now I'm going to see that. I'm going to go, oh, that's not a real order. That's me just pretending like it's an order. And that's it. And you can continue shopping after that. So let's look for something else here, okay? Let's go to categories. And let's see. What do we want? Maybe we want, we got business cards, copy services, reopening signage. Let's look at our promotional products. And we have a few things there. We have custom printed mugs. We have business card, buttons, We have tents, and we have tote bags. Let's order some tote bags. That's really easy too. And again, always read the description because it's going to tell you something you may need to know when you're ordering. And that says that the reusable tote bag, I'm going to put it on pause for a minute, okay? Since I was interrupted there, let's continue. Tote bags, all right. So we're going to read the description on the tote bags right here. Description, it says reusable tote bags are great for shopping, for groceries, or going to trade shows. Create your own and we will print your bags for you. Great thing about our service is that there is no minimum. You can order one or thousands. For quantities larger than 50, give us a call and we'll work out a sweet deal for you, okay? Always going to work out a sweet deal. We want to give you the best price possible so you continue to come here to ART Printing Service. We can print these bags in 2 to 3 business days. Order now while we have them in our inventory. The size of the bag is 13.5 inches by 13.5 inches, but with a 4-inch bottom. The colors are unbleached, which means it's kind of an off-white. It's not a bright white, kind of an off-white. Now, if you need a template, just send us an email. We'll send you a template and how to make the layout this area here, because it's a certain area. It's 8 inches wide by 6.5 inches high. That's the area that we allow you for, okay? Because we don't want to get into here. We don't want to go too high up into here, and we want to go too far out either. So we'll try to limit the area so that it's just an imprint. It's not to color the whole bag. We don't do that. It's just an imprint, okay? So now you do have some choices here. You can print 1 or 2 sides. And in this case, we'll just print 1 side. And let's say we need 20 bags, okay? 20 bags. Hey, add to cart. Very simple. And there you go. We added to the cart, and the total price is $175 for 20 bags at $8.75 a bag. That's pretty cool, huh? And then you check out, you do the same thing that what we showed you earlier. It's very simple. I do want to cover one more thing here that I haven't covered, is if you have your artwork. If you don't have your artwork, contact us and we can make something for you for a small fee. But if you know how to make your artwork, you can make your artwork, send us a PDF file, and you can send your PDF file by clicking here. Click there. You say add files from your computer, and you can pick a file, click it, and then hit upload to it. Let me see. I don't know. I'm just going to pick anything. It's not meant for that. Let's try this. That looks good. Choose for upload. That's a poster. It's not a bag, but it'll work. And it's uploading. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Probably a big file. Maybe I shouldn't have picked such a big file. That was a Memorial Day poster. That's another one. I wonder why it didn't work. Try it again. There we go. So we added that. We added the Memorial Day poster, and it says it right there. Add more. You can add more if you have more. And what name do you want to pick for it? Make sure you let us know. Tell us. It's a Memorial Day poster, but I don't know who it's for. So just say Jane Doe poster, Memorial Day deals. That way I can connect it. I know who Jane Doe is. When you send then you put your email address down in that. Your email address probably give it away who you are, and you say check 12check at me.com, and that's it. And then you hit upload. Boom, and it uploads it to my thing. I'll get an email, and everything will be okay. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know if you need any other tutorials. We'll be more than happy to do that for you. We're going to make more tutorials. Let us know if you have questions, if you need help of any sort. We're here to help. We're here to make your projects come out to be, okay? You create, we'll print it. If you can't create it, that's fine. We'll create it, all right? We'll help you create it. We'll charge you a little bit for it. Not much. Our designers are great. We do great design work. Lots of experience, years and years of experience designing and making all kinds of different things. So whatever you need, we can do it. We can create it. But we're open to letting you create things so that we can print it. You create, we print, or we can create and we can print too. Anyway, love you guys. You guys take care. You have a great day. Bye now.